If you want to know exactly what products will sell on Shopify in 2026, this video is for you. The e-commerce world is shifting fast, trends are changing, competition is rising, and the products that worked last year won't carry you throughout this year. So in today's video, I'm going to show you real products that are already generating sales, have strong profit margins, and are backed by actual Shopify data and not guesswork, okay? We're talking about products with viral potential on social media, products with evergreen demand, and products that dropshipping stores are scaling with right now, okay? So I'm gonna show you where they're selling, how many sales they're getting, the exact sourcing prices, and the real profit margin. So by the end of this video, my friends, you will know exactly which items you should add to your dropshipping store immediately. Let's start with the first winning product of 2026. Let's just kick off right here. It's a product with a lot of potential to become your dropshipping store's next best seller. And I'm sure that you're going to love it. It's the Magic Video Sphere. And as you can see here, this product is basically easy marketing plus high profit margin wrapped into one. It can display videos directly from the sphere, just making a super unique and eye-catching product. Some dropshippers are even take things just a step further by positioning it as a Christmas ornament. And look how well that works. This is just a perfect example of how to take a year-round product and give it a massive seasonal boost, especially during times when demand for unique and giftable products spikes. I found this dropshipping store selling this exact same product for $51. And then when I added to the cart, I saw that there was an additional $9.95 for shipping fee. So the total price is actually $60.95. And the question here is, does this product actually sell, or is it just getting likes without any real results? Let's just find out. I'm going to copy the URL, and then I'm going to open Zik Analytics, head over to the store sales tracker. I'm going to paste the URL, click search. So here I can see all the data that Shopify does not share. And so this is a one product store, and the only item that is being sold right here is this one. But the only product really is the Magic Video Sphere. It sold 525 times, my friends, in the last 30 days. Let's just check the profitability by sourcing from AliExpress. I'm just gonna click here in the item finder. This is the exact same product, my friends. The cost is only $38.17 with free shipping. Now let's just calculate the profits. So the selling price is $60.95. The Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents, which is $2.06. And the sourcing price from AliExpress is $38.17. So that means that the profit per sale is around $20.72. Multiply that by 525 sales in the last month. This store made around $10,000, $878 in pure profit before ads and operational expenses. But my friends, we are talking about more than $10,000 in profit. One product alone. Let's move to the next product, the helmet speaker. This is like a year-round winner. It's a small device that doesn't just upgrade any ride. It actually makes riding safer. So riders can take calls, listen to music, or follow GPS directions without removing their helmet. And here's the bonus. The content related to driving safety just tends to get very high engagement on social media, makes this product even easier to market. And I found the Shopify dropshipping store right here selling this exact same product. And they're selling this product for $58. And when I opened the store in Zik Analytics sales tracker, I discovered that this product sold 243 times in the past 30 days. That, my friends, is extremely strong performance for an evergreen item. So now let's just see if we can source this product at a price that leaves room for a big profit margin. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna click here in the item finder. So many good options. I'm just gonna go with this one right here. This is the exact same product, and without any discount or promotions, the sourcing price is only $11.66. It's a huge difference there. So that leaves us a profit of $44 per sale after Shopify fees, and multiplied by 243 sales in the last month. That's $10,000 $692 in profit before operational expenses for an evergreen product with massive year-round demand. This is an amazing item with amazing margins. If you're enjoying this video so far, you know what to do, right? Feel free to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, because it really means a lot to me and to everyone here at Zik, because it helps us grow and lets us keep bringing you more content like this. So if you want to use the same product research tools that I'm using here, like validating tools, you can just subscribe to Zik Analytics. This is the next product. This is the water and food bottle for dogs, okay? There's a strong demand for this year long. In general, pet gadgets products, they perform well. And this product can just turn any dog walk from good to great. It keeps pets hydrated and fed during both short walks, long trips. Honestly, I can't think of a single dog owner who wouldn't want to have something like this on their hands. Look at this German dropshipping store. They're selling this product for 23.95 euros, which is about $27.50. Okay, so when I scanned this store using Zik Store Sales Tracker, I found that this product sold 96 times in the past 30 days. It's not bad. I did the same procedure here and I found this item on AliExpress. It's the exact same product for 99 cents plus 1.99 for shipping. So yes, that is the real price without any hidden discounts. Even the regular price of this product under the amount of $7.82 would leave plenty of room for strong margin. The profit for the current price, which is 99 plus 199, leaves a profit per sale around $23. And with 96 sales in the past 30 days, that's a monthly profit of $2,208 from one simple product. This makes a very attractive product to test, especially because pet accessories consistently perform well and have emotional buying triggers behind them. This next product is quite broad, like it works well all year round. You know, it provides huge profit margins, and I'm talking about necklaces for live events. So as you can see, these styles of necklaces are great for any major life event, becoming a parent, celebrating marriage, marking a milestone, or gifting someone during a life-change moment. And because these events happen to people all over the world, positioning these necklaces as the ultimate meaningful gift allows you to sell them at a premium prices while sourcing them for a very low cost. Here's a great example of this product. It's selling for $41.99. And soon you will see the actual sourcing price is almost impossible for customers to guess. And then when I scanned this dropshipping store using Zik Store Sales Tracker, I found that this product was sold 56 times in the past 30 days. For the sourcing price, I did the same thing, my friends. I just clicked here, item finder, so many exact matches. This one in AliExpress stood out because it's offered by a high reputation seller. And this specific necklace is made with sterling silver. So it costs $10.53 plus $4.35 shipping. So that's a total of $14.88. Okay, so the profit per sale after Shopify fees is $25.60. Then you take 56 sales, brings down to $1,433 in monthly profits from just one elegant emotional product. And the best part is that this niche is wide open, like necklaces for life events come in many variations. And a design like this one for new parents, for example, look at this. It also could be sourced cheaply and sold for with very high margins. The next product is related to home gymnastics, and it's the smart hula hoop. Using this product, people can easily exercise at home from anywhere while still having fun. Unlike any other home fitness equipment that can be harder or more complicated to use or even boring. Overall, content that shows this product in action tends to produce very high engagement on social media because it's fun. Naturally, it will attract organic traffic to stores that are selling this. Sales for these products are also quite stable throughout the year, with a nice spike during December and January. December because people look for fun gift ideas, and January because everyone wants to start chasing their new year fitness goals. I found this dropshipping store selling this product right here, and it's selling for 59 euros. Okay, so when I scanned this store using the Zig Store sales tracker, I saw that this product sold 117 times in the past 30 days. I found this listing on AliExpress with a sourcing price of $26.53 with free shipping. So that means that the profit per sale is $42 times 117. We're talking about $4,914 before ads and operational expenses, right? And the last product in our list of top Shopify products for 2026 is this hanging bed for cats. As you can see, like, this isn't the usual pet bed that you will find in a regular pet shop. Most people can only find these types of products online, and that's exactly what makes this product a perfect long-term winner. It's unique, it's highly functional, visually appealing, and cat owners absolutely love giving their pets extra comfort. So I found a dropshipping store selling this product, selling it for 475 Danish krone, which is around $50, okay? And after scanning this store using the Zig Store sales tracker, I saw that this hanging cat bed sold 50 times in the past 30 days. And then I sourced from AliExpress and I found this exact same product for $9.25 plus $20.90 for shipping. So that's a total of $30.15. So the profit per sale is around $18. Times 50, we're talking about $900 per month. All from one simple, unique pet accessory. And this product checks, every box for a long-term evergreen seller. High perceived value, it has emotional buying appeal, and very limited availability offline. So there you have it, the top Shopify products to sell in 2026, each one backed by sales data, strong margins, and clear market demand. We went through tech gadgets, pet products, fitness winners, emotional jewelry, and unique home use items, all proven to sell right now. These aren't guesses. These aren't just trends pulled from thin air and social media and so on. These are products with real Shopify stores that are making real money with. Now it's your turn, add a few of these products to your dropshipping store, test them with organic content or create paid ads and so on. Scale the ones that take off, because 2026 is full of opportunity, but only for those sellers who actually take action early. If this video helped you, in some way, just make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to tell me which products you're thinking about adding to your store. Also, if you want to check out Zig Analytics, there's a link down below here. Click there. Feel free to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.